Warning, this is how I personally complete each project. I do have some mechanical and electrical knowledge. Use this video at your own risk. I am not and will not be responsible for any damage that may occur while you attempt to repeat as I do. Always follow all manufacturer warnings and instructions. Consult a professional if you are unsure.
DADDYGVILLE'S World.
What's up, everyone? Today, this video is for the 2004 to 2009 Dodge Durango and the 2007 to 2009 Chrysler Aspen. I'm going to show you how to change your rear shocks. I'll be using an 18mm wrench, an 18mm deep well socket, a 15mm socket, a 3/8 ratchet, and an extendable breaker bar. Let's jump into it. Here's the driver's side rear shock, looking towards the front of the vehicle. Now, the 18mm on the ratchet goes on the nut. The 15mm on the breaker bar goes on the bolt head. Press the breaker bar down towards the ground and the ratchet up towards the body. Once it's loose, I'll leave it on until I get the top unmolded. Now, jumping to the top. On the bolt head, use a 15mm. Pull the ratchet down towards the ground. On the nut, use an 18mm wrench. But it does have a bracket built onto the nut, so sometimes you might not need the wrench. Once it's loose, fully remove it. Jumping back to the bottom, fully remove the nut and bolt. Then pull the bottom off of the mount, letting it fully extend. Then pull it off the top mount. Now it's removed. Grab your new shock, stand it upright, then compress it. Push it down until it stops. Then let it extend to its maximum height. I do this 3 to 4 times. Now, here's the nut and bracket for the top bolt. Place the top of the shock in first, lining up the bolt, then threading the nut on. Now, tighten it up. But to where you can still swing it. Jumping back to the bottom. With the bolt in hand, compress the shock, lining it up to the bracket. Place the bolt in, put the nut on, and then fully tighten it down. Move back to the top and fully tighten it. Then repeat on the opposite side, and you're done. Check out some of our other videos, and thank you for watching.
DADDYGVILLE'S World.